Hey everybody, it's George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive in a 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air. This car is absolutely beautiful. I've been excited to take this out on the road ever since the day we got it. The black with the yellow, you see the interior with the trim in there. This is gorgeous. You even look down at the tires too. It has the little accent of the yellow there. I'm in love with this car. If you haven't already, go and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications so you get updated anytime we do a video and you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. Now, the purpose of these virtual test drive videos is for you to get a chance to see the vehicle out in the sun, kind of virtually put you in the driver's seat so you can see how it drives, how it sounds. Just try to take a trip with it before you come on out and make your purchase. For all additional information, you get to go on over to volocars.com when we're done. We have a couple hundred pictures, including undercarriage, under the hood, inside. We have it in our photo studio. We have the detailed write-up, so all the information we know, and we're able to research on it, and then the selling price. I mean, absolutely gorgeous car. I know it was frame off restored. I've looked at this for quite a few hours, and I fall in love with it every time. Door opened easy. See that I shut it all the way? Yep. Shuts. If you notice, even the door skirts up there, they went ahead and operated really nicely. It has your 3 on the tree. Reach around. No seat belt, so I'm not forgetting it. Not trying to break the law there. Starts right up. I absolutely love it. The dash, everything looks pretty much original, minus the stereo, which I did try to turn on. I didn't mess with it too much, but it didn't turn on. It has your overdrive, your wipers, engine temp, fuel gauge, pretty much everything you'll need in here. And I'm looking around. The seats look pristine. Looking overhead, I'm not seeing any tears, rips, wear and tear. I mean, this is a beautiful 56. And this is the first time myself or anyone else from the shop is going to get a chance to take this out. So we're going to be experiencing everything firsthand. So if we come up with anything that needs to be done, we'll go ahead and address it. So let's go ahead and go for a ride. Brakes feel nice. Alright, so drive straight. Steering wheel's a little off. We'll go ahead and take care of that. Maybe pull slightly to the left as well. That's a quick trip to the alignment shop. No big deal there. Other than that, it shifted really nicely. I love the 3 on the tree. That right there, it's old school. I like the 1950s, just this whole era of vehicles. Inside indicators work. Second. And a few bumps, I'm not hearing any rattle. Only hit I have is just the steering wheel. Like I said, it's an easy fix that we're going to take care of. The windshield, looking at the mirrors here, they look like they're in great shape. Almost killed it. So it slides right into second. We'll find out how easy it is into third, but if it's anything like the rest of this car, it's going to work beautifully. get it up to cruising speed. Right into third, sounds great. So yeah, it has that pull to the left. It floats down this road. This is not a very smooth road at all. Plenty of power. You take this on the interstate highway, wherever you want to go with it. Brakes feel good. They're not too hard, not too soft. Nice turning radius there. Rookie mistake, George. So yeah, this thing will get right up to cruising speed quick too. Absolutely love it. I have the vent open right now too, so I have that extra air coming in at me. Real comfortable, just incredible ride. I fell in love with this car even more now. I hope you liked it as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications. And now's the time to head on over to volocars.com and then give our sales department a call. As always, I appreciate you.